We've got several stories highlighting Chesapeake Public Schools this week, starting off with a report on a $1.5 million grant helping secondary students excel. Sarah?
That's right, Jen. The 5-year grant comes from the Department of Defense Education Activity, and it's being spread across the city's middle and high schools.
We are going to be using the money to support our students in Algebra 1 credit acquisition, starting in middle school, doing some really intelligent new things to help our students get that algebra head before they become high school students. And then the students in that are going into high school, the summer before, we're going to develop a program. It's going to called be Bridge to Algebra. And so we're going to be really using some smart resources, some professional development for our teachers, giving some really good equipment that we don't have right now in our facilities to make our students more successful in algebra. Making sure that we're providing good quality supports to our kids who are transitioning. Military students often transition from school to school, so we want to make sure they have a connection, they feel welcome. So at the middle schools, we're going to be using one program, which is a student ambassadors program, which helps kids have someone that will stand up for them and perhaps prevent them from being bullied and from being treated poorly, and especially in this transition as a new kid. It's hard to be new in middle school. And then when you go to the high school, we're going to be looking at expanding our student-to-student program, which is at a couple of our high schools now, but we're going to have that student-to-student program for all 7 of our high schools.
This is the second grant Chesapeake has received from the DoDEA Education Partnership Grant Program. A current 4-year grant supporting literacy for special education students runs through to 2019.